Hello, and thank you for tuning in. This website presents a review of logarithms. If you are here, you probably clicked on a hyperlink to a video from the website URL that is cited in the description of this YouTube video. And by studying this site and its materials, you will learn what is a logarithm, how's it computed, what's it used for, what are the laws and properties of logarithms, and most important, how is it used? Most of this website has text and videos explaining how to use logarithms and how to solve problems with logarithms that are typical on an exam covering intermediate algebra or pre-calculus algebra, including how to use logarithms to compute pH, use the Richter scale, understand the decibel scale, do carbon dating, compute radioactive decay, compute investment yields, and estimate population growth. If you're a high school junior or senior, or maybe in your first or second year of college and you've taken intermediate algebra or pre-calculus algebra, and you're either getting ready for your first course in calculus or you're cramming for an exam in intermediate algebra or pre-calculus algebra that is going to cover logarithms, then studying this website is for you. From here, go back to the home page for the website and click on the link that describes an introduction to logarithms. You'll find a tutorial there and another introductory video, as well as instructions on how to get the most out of this site and what tutorials to look at next. I hope that you find this useful. It's my intention to present a review of logarithms and their applications. If at any time you have comments or questions about the site or its content, please post them to the comments section of this video, and I will read them and respond to you. I appreciate your interest. Thank you for watching, and I hope this is helpful.